Welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. This is Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training, and this is going to be another Acrobat Pro tech tip on how to work with headers and footers in Acrobat Pro, how to add them, how to edit them, how to make them work in your favor to communicate what you want, including page numbers and the date and just generic text. So when you're working in the sort of like basic viewing page with an Acrobat, you don't actually see any options for header and footer. You need to actually go into the Edit PDF tab here, and you will notice there's a lot of options here. Check out some other videos on some of these. But what we want to do is go to header and footer, and I'm just going to say add. And when I click on that, it will take me to another dialog box, and very easily, what do I want to put and where do I want to put it? Okay, I'm just going to put over here, Landon Hotels Inc. Okay, very good, and I can see that down here. That's going to be in the header. All right, do I also want to have a footer? Okay, I'm just going to say copyright 2020. Maybe that's dating this by the time you watch this. All right, and you can see there that is, but I've got a little bit of a problem here. Okay, so we're going to fix a number of these things. Number one, maybe I don't like this font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this font. I'm going to make this Arial black. I do that, and notice you can change the color of it. Okay, and also notice you can change the margins. So watch what happens now. So for my top, I can now adjust the top margin. Excuse me, I'm on the bottom. All right, I'm the bottom. I can also adjust the top. Got to watch what I'm doing here. Okay, there we go. All right, and then the bottom, that actually fixes it. So I'm going to bring it so that's a little bit higher so I have more control over that. All right, now, the other thing I'd like to do is insert page numbers for this. So I'm just going to very easily say insert page number, and then that comes in just like that. All right, now, there's a problem with doing it first, the way that I just did this, and that's if you don't like this format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to say page number and date format, and I'm going to make it so I set the format up first because it doesn't change it after the fact. I know it's a little bit weird, but I'm just going to go ahead and just say, all right, page one of how many I want to do that. Start at what page? That's great. And now you will be able to see insert page number, and it comes in just like that. So you want to do the format first. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. You'll learn the hard way. Most likely have to do it a few times. Same thing with the dates. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just say page number and date format. And I'm going to remember I'm changing the format first. So what I want it to do, I'm going to say okay. And now I'm going to insert the dates. Wonderful. And you can see what today's date is. Hello from the future, from the past, into the future. All right. And there you go. And you have that all set up, ready to go. Now, one really cool thing is if you're planning on using this all the time, you may want to save this so you don't have to actually continue to always do this. You can save this as a preset. All right. So I'm just going to call this Landon header and footer. Okay. Great. So now this will be there for other documents into the future. It's really, really cool. It saves it not just in this file, but in other documents. Okay, you'll also notice you can add to multiple files if you want to do that too. So pretty cool, pretty slick, and pretty easy. So I'm going to click OK. Adding headers and footers. There it is. That's awesome. There it is. Page 1 of 2. I scroll down and I can see there they are. If I ever want to come back to them once again, I can go ahead and just say update. And there they are. Super easy. You can change all these things you want. All right. So that's it. So stay tuned for some other tech tips on Acrobat, on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, InDesign. We got a ton of them. So please check them out. Please subscribe, share, leave some happy comments, anything you want to say, and any requests, of course. And check us out at sftechtraining.com. And we will see you in the next video.